To create an account on Ultrapro Exchange, start by visiting their website at ultraprox.com. At the top right of the screen, click the orange Sign Up button. Ensure you are on the Sign Up page, rather than the Sign In page, and click Sign Up. Enter your name as it appears on your government ID. Select your country, and provide your phone number, email address, and password. Retype your password to confirm it, and if you have a referral ID, you can add it at this stage. Agree to the terms of use and press Register. Following registration, an activation email will be sent to you. If you don't receive it, click Did Not Receive Activation Email. Re-enter your email address, and the activation link will be resent. Once you've activated your account, you'll need to complete the Know Your Customer (KYC) process, which involves verifying your identity by providing your ID and additional information. After your account has been verified, you'll be able to start trading. This process is relatively straightforward and is a standard requirement for most crypto exchanges.